Okay, so for partitioning the data, we will set seed, say 1, then train dot index, create partition, and accident dummy.df max severe. So that's our target. Probability we want 0.6 and list is false. Okay, and then got it, accident dot train dot df is accident dummy.df and train index all the columns. And then we want accident dot valid dot df and we want accident dummy.df minus train dot index and all the columns. Okay, so let's run these 4 lines of code. Okay, so now we have the train and valid data sets set up. And now let's run so we're going to run nn dot acc for accident, and we're going to use neural net. Okay, the formula is max severe. Okay, remember that's already a factor, so it's going to be all right. And we have selected the columns and we have modified the columns to what we want. So it is, the formula is tilde dot, and then we specify data equal to accident train dot df, and then so we say hidden equal to, so let's just say two neurons in the hidden layer. Okay, so now if you plot, remember neural net package generates the necessary information automatically, so plot will work. If you run plot, then you see the neural network printed for you. Okay, but if you use nnet, then we have to go through several more hoops before we can get to the neural net. Okay, now let's do classification. So first we need to come up with the probability. So see ACC dot probability for validate, so VL. Okay. Then we say predict. Okay, predict using nn.acc. So that's the model, and new data is accident valid.df. Okay, so run that. So you get ACC prob.vl. If you look at that, so you get 3 values. Remember, we have 3 levels of severity, 0, 1, and 2. So we get 3 probabilities. So now we need to now come up with prediction or classification. So ACC, let's call that class VL. So how do we get that? And here is where we use, we need to go row by row and say which of the three numbers, is it the first one, the second one, the third one that has the largest probability. So here we need to apply, we need to use the apply function. So apply, okay, three things. Okay, apply to what? We want the data to look at is the probability set, and we want to go row by row. So the margin is 1 for row by row, 2 for column. Okay, and then which max is the function we want, and that's going to give you either column 1, column 2, or column 3, but the classes are 0, 1, or 2, so we need to subtract 1. And that will give you the classes. Okay, so now you have predicted classes, okay, and then you have the actual classes. So we can do a confusion matrix. Okay, predicted classes, or in AC, so we need that as factor. So as factor ACC class, as factor of that's our predicted class. Then we need to specify the actual class. Actual class is maximum severity. Remember, maximum severity, we already set that up as a factor right at the beginning. So we can simply say accident.valid.df maximum severity. Okay, so we need to close parenthesis. Alright, so now run it. So now we have the confusion matrix for maximum severity.